this is Kulain. Today I will be unboxing the Elizabeth JSK from Baby the Stars Shine Bright. Here is the box from Baby the Stars Shine Bright here in San Francisco. I think it came with my Kumiya slippers as well. Okay, let's open it up. Came with pink tissue paper, baby bag, and Kumiya slippers. Quite heavy. The package. Came a sticker. And here's the blouse. The blouse has a round lace collar and these ribbon details on the sleeves. And you can see the back. Here's the JSK. It has the really nice rose lace in the bodice and 4 tiers of torchon lace on each ruffle. The back has partial shirring with corset lacing. And you cannot see the waist ties because that was out of focus. I really like how this release came in a 2-piece set, so you can mix and match which blouse you want to wear with this dress, giving it a little bit more flexibility. Here you can kind of see the whole dress and my horribly tied waist tie that I didn't bother tying properly. And the sleeves are quite short, even on me. I think they're just right, but I think if you're a little bit taller, this might be a little too short. The fit of the dress is fairly forgiving. I had to tighten up the lacing in the back, as well as adjust the straps up for myself personally. So it should be able to fit a variety of sizes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!